Looking for real foods to manage and control your blood sugar levels and beat diabetes? Well, by the end of this video, you will know which tried and proven foods, specifically vegetables, to eat to manage and control your blood sugar levels and completely beat diabetes. Carrots are an excellent vegetable choice for individuals managing diabetes, primarily due to their high fiber content, which plays a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels after meals. This makes carrots a smart addition to a diabetic-friendly diet, as they can contribute to better overall blood sugar control. Additionally, carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining eye health. Diabetics are at a higher risk for eye-related complications, so ensuring adequate intake of vitamin A can help protect vision and promote overall eye function. Incorporating carrots into your meals is both easy and delicious. One simple way is to enjoy them raw as a crunchy snack or add them to salads for extra texture and sweetness. You can also roast carrots with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite herbs for a flavorful side dish. Another option is to blend them into smoothies where their natural sweetness can enhance the flavor while providing essential nutrients. For those who enjoy cooking, consider adding grated carrots to soups, stews, or stir-fries, where they can blend seamlessly with other ingredients while boosting the nutritional profile of your meals. Whether you choose to eat them raw, cooked, or blended, carrots offer a versatile and nutritious option that can enhance your meals while supporting your health. By making carrots a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits while effectively managing your diabetes. Cabbage is a powerhouse vegetable that offers numerous nutritional benefits for individuals managing diabetes, primarily due to its high fiber content. The fiber in cabbage plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, making cabbage an excellent choice for those looking to maintain stable glucose levels. Additionally, cabbage is low in calories and carbohydrates, which further supports diabetes management while providing essential nutrients. One of the great advantages of cabbage is its versatility in various cooking methods. Whether you prefer it raw in salads, sautéed, steamed, or fermented as sauerkraut, cabbage can easily be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. This adaptability allows you to enjoy cabbage in numerous ways, ensuring that you never get bored with your meals. For instance, you can add shredded cabbage to stir-fries, use it as a base for hearty salads, or even wrap it around lean proteins for a nutritious and satisfying meal. To maximize the health benefits of cabbage, consider pairing it with protein-rich foods such as chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes. This combination not only enhances the flavor and texture of your meals, but also promotes a balanced diet that can help stabilize blood sugar levels. By incorporating cabbage into your meals alongside protein sources, you can create satisfying dishes that support your overall health and diabetes management. In summary, cabbage is a nutritious, fiber-rich vegetable that can play a significant role in your diabetes-friendly diet, offering versatility in preparation and the potential for balanced, healthful meals. Tomatoes are a fantastic addition to the diet of individuals managing diabetes, primarily due to their impressive antioxidant properties. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are crucial for maintaining heart health. For diabetics, protecting cardiovascular health is particularly important, as they are at a higher risk for heart-related issues. Incorporating tomatoes into your meals can contribute to better heart health while also providing a burst of flavor. Additionally, tomatoes are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them an ideal choice for those looking to manage their weight and blood sugar levels. With their minimal impact on blood glucose, tomatoes can be enjoyed freely without the worry of significant spikes in blood sugar. There are countless creative ways to include tomatoes in your meals, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. For a refreshing option, consider adding fresh tomatoes to salads where their juiciness can elevate the dish. You can also blend tomatoes into sauces for pasta or use them as a base for soups, providing a rich and savory flavor. Roasting tomatoes brings out their natural sweetness, making them a delightful addition to various dishes from grain bowls to sandwiches. For a quick snack, try slicing tomatoes and pairing them with a sprinkle of salt and pepper or a drizzle of balsamic vinegar for a simple yet delicious treat. Additionally, incorporating tomatoes into omelets or frittatas can add a vibrant touch to your breakfast. By exploring these various methods of preparation, you can enjoy the numerous health benefits of tomatoes while enhancing your meals with their delicious flavor. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that offers numerous advantages for individuals seeking to control their blood sugar levels. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium and iron, spinach plays a vital role in improving insulin sensitivity. This enhanced sensitivity can help the body utilize insulin more effectively, leading to better blood sugar regulation. Additionally, spinach is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, which further supports stable glucose levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Incorporating spinach into your daily meals is both simple and versatile. One easy way is to add fresh spinach to salads, where its mild flavor complements a variety of ingredients. You can also toss it into smoothies for a nutrient boost without altering the taste significantly. Cooking spinach is another great option. Sautéing it with garlic and olive oil creates a delicious side dish that pairs well with many proteins. Additionally, adding spinach to soups, stews, or omelets can enhance the nutritional profile of these meals. To maximize the health benefits of spinach, it's important to pair it with healthy fats. Spinach contains fat-soluble vitamins, meaning that consuming it alongside healthy fats, such as avocado, olive oil, or nuts, can improve nutrient absorption. For instance, drizzling olive oil over a spinach salad or adding avocado to a spinach smoothie can enhance the bioavailability of the nutrients. By incorporating spinach into your meals and pairing it with healthy fats, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits while effectively managing your blood sugar levels. This leafy green is not only a powerhouse of nutrition, but also a delicious and versatile addition to any diet. Broccoli is an exceptional vegetable for individuals managing diabetes, primarily due to its high fiber content, which plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The fiber in broccoli helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose after meals. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain steady blood sugar levels, while also promoting digestive health. In addition to its fiber content, broccoli is rich in antioxidants, including sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants are essential in diabetes management as they help combat oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to complications associated with diabetes. By incorporating broccoli into your diet, you can benefit from its protective effects on your overall health. To maximize the nutritional value of broccoli, it's important to consider various cooking methods. Steaming is one of the best ways to prepare broccoli, as it helps retain its vitamins and minerals while making it tender and palatable. Lightly sautéing broccoli with a bit of olive oil and garlic can also enhance its flavor while preserving its nutrients. For those who enjoy raw vegetables, adding fresh broccoli florets to salads or enjoying them with hummus as a snack can provide a crunchy and nutritious option. Roasting broccoli is another delicious method that brings out its natural sweetness. Just toss it with a little olive oil and your favorite seasonings before placing it in the oven. By exploring these cooking methods, you can enjoy the numerous health benefits of broccoli while ensuring that its nutritional value remains intact. This versatile vegetable is not only a delicious addition to your meals, but also a powerful ally in managing diabetes effectively. Cucumbers are an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes, primarily due to their low glycemic index, which means they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes cucumbers a safe and refreshing option for those looking to maintain stable glucose levels. Their high water content also contributes to their low calorie count, making them a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and cucumbers can help with this as they are composed of about 95% water. This hydration benefit can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, which is particularly helpful for weight management. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals and snacks is both easy and versatile. One simple way is to enjoy them raw in salads, where their crisp texture adds a refreshing crunch. You can also slice cucumbers and pair them with hummus or yogurt-based dips for a nutritious snack that satisfies cravings without adding excess calories. For a creative twist, consider making cucumber sandwiches by using thinly sliced cucumbers as a low-carb alternative to bread, filling them with lean proteins like turkey or chicken salad. Another delicious option is to add diced cucumbers to salsas or gazpachos, where their coolness complements the flavors of other ingredients. Additionally, you can infuse water with cucumber slices and fresh herbs for a refreshing beverage that encourages hydration throughout the day. By exploring these various ways to enjoy cucumbers, you can reap their numerous health benefits while enhancing your meals and snacks. This versatile vegetable not only supports blood sugar management but also adds a delightful crunch and hydration to your diet, making it a valuable ally for those with diabetes. Mushrooms are a remarkable addition to the diet of individuals managing diabetes, offering a variety of health benefits that can support overall well-being. One of the key advantages of mushrooms is their ability to reduce inflammation, which is crucial for diabetes management. Chronic inflammation can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to regulate blood sugar levels. By incorporating mushrooms into your meals, you can help combat this inflammation and promote better insulin sensitivity. Additionally, mushrooms are known to support brain function thanks to their rich nutrient profile, which includes B vitamins and antioxidants. These compounds can enhance cognitive health and may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases, making mushrooms a smart choice for overall health. Unique compounds found in mushrooms, such as polysaccharides and beta-glucans, have been shown to aid in blood sugar control. These compounds can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose metabolism, making mushrooms an excellent food for those looking to manage their diabetes effectively. There are numerous ways to incorporate mushrooms into your meals to enhance both flavor and health benefits. Sautéing mushrooms with garlic and olive oil creates a delicious side dish that pairs well with various proteins. You can also add them to stir-fries, where their umami flavor complements other ingredients beautifully. For a hearty option, consider incorporating mushrooms into soups or stews, where they can absorb flavors and add depth to the dish. Grilling or roasting mushrooms can also bring out their natural sweetness, making them a delightful addition to salads or grain bowls. By exploring these cooking methods, you can enjoy the numerous health benefits of mushrooms while enhancing your meals with their rich flavor and nutritional value. This versatile food is not only delicious, but also a powerful ally in managing diabetes effectively. In this video, we explored the significant health benefits of incorporating 7 specific vegetables into a diabetes-friendly diet. Each of these vegetables, carrots, cabbage, tomatoes, spinach, broccoli, cucumbers, and mushrooms, offers unique nutritional advantages that can help manage blood sugar levels and promote overall health. We emphasized the importance of choosing the right vegetables, as they can stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. By adding these nutrient-dense options to your meals, you can enhance your diet while supporting your diabetes management journey. We encourage you to take action by trying out these vegetables in your daily meals. Whether you enjoy them raw, cooked, or blended, there are countless ways to incorporate them into your diet. Experiment with different recipes and cooking methods to discover how these vegetables can add flavor and nutrition to your dishes. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on managing diabetes and healthy eating. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends and family who may benefit from this information. We also encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Let us know which vegetables you're excited to try or any recipes you'd like to share. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create content that resonates with you. Together we can build a supportive community focused on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.